Good morning, campers. Weight limit 5 tons. We get to ignore that today because Prime has a facility on this road, so we're allowed on it in order to access that facility. Fun little loophole in the random weight limits for no real reason sort of thing. Because this 5-ton weight limit is simply because they don't want trucks on this road. It's not for safety or anything like that. So in order to access our facility, I may use this road. You're not signaling, so I'm just going to go and assume you're going to. That's the St. Louis Arch in front of us. We are in Caseyville, Illinois, on the east side of the Mississippi River. We're picking up a trailer out of the Henderson Trucking yard, which is one of the other A fleets that pulls Prime trailers. Like our Jim Palmer terminal, this facility here is also a Prime drop yard. So we're gonna pop in there, grab a trailer, get out, and start running. Let's bring our speed down a bit so I don't miss our turn. That's Henderson. All right. Pull vehicle to call box, turn off vehicle, lower window, press call button, wait for an answer. Alright, let's try that. Start and then call if it's busy, soon over voicemail. Alright. Thank you. Sweet. Oh, why am I putting my seatbelt back on? We're about to park the trailer. Do. Hazard lights on as we are in a yard. Lots of Prime drivers that live in the St. Louis area park their trucks here. Henderson and Prime have a very good relationship from the looks of things. Alright, where can I squeeze in a trailer? Wow, there's so many trucks here. Look at all these brand new trucks Henderson's got. Let's turn that off. I'm close enough to 64 to still hear their noise. Well, there's a perfect parking spot right there on our left. Do I have enough room to do that? Yeah, I do. Anyone else moving in here? No? Alright, cool. Any easier spots that I see? No. This will have to do. braking. Perfect to me. All right. That was fun. And I'm pretty much out of time, so I'm gonna go look for my trailer. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Eliodare, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox, or Eliodare on Xbox Live, Steam, and Twitter. Twitter's the most important one of those. And if you link your Switch account to your Twitter account and you follow me on Twitter, you will be able to friend me on Switch as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.